53-year-old Aaron Ali self-surrendered to the Travis County Jail on Monday. The MedtoMarket CEO and chair of the State Anatomical Advisory Committee is charged with aggravated perjury and abuse of corpse. A local criminal defense attorney reviewed the case that he calls rare.
And usually things like this don't get uncovered unless there's some sort of complaint that's filed. And so that's how this one came to light.
Earlier this month, the Texas Funeral Services Commission received information from a former employee of Capital Mortuary Services. The employee accused 50-year-old Adeline Bowie of forging at least 10 death certificates under his name without consent and experimenting on body parts. Austin police and several agencies opened an investigation, and a cease and desist was sent to the mortuary by the Texas Funeral Services Commission. Bowie admitted to forging the death certificates and experimenting on 15 bodies with the permission of MedtoMarket, a medical training facility in South Central Austin. Bowie turned herself in on April 18th and later bonded out.
As Ms. Bowie cooperated and confessed to some of these issues, then that's what uncovered Mr. Ali's involvement. The bodies were to be cremated, and then they received the corpses, and then that's where Ms. Bowie is accused of experimenting on bodies. Other times it comes directly from MedtoMarket, and they were supplying the body parts themselves to Ms. Bowie's mortuary.
According to court documents, Ali is accused of supplying arms to the mortuary that's not approved for testing on body parts, leading to the abuse of corpse charge. He is also accused of aggravated perjury after making a false statement under oath during the Senate Committee on Health and Human Services April 16th. Lawmakers were discussing Senate Bill 2721. It would increase regulations on donated remains.
Sounds like it's just kind of a strange coincidence that it happened at the same time that Mr. Ali was testifying in front of the Senate committee. It did not appear to me from the documents that I've looked at that he was testifying in connection with this, but just that he was making false statements about his operation and about what MedtoMarket does.
Aaron Ali's lawyer responded in a statement saying, in part, these charges are completely unfounded. To some degree, law enforcement investigators have to rely on information provided by others. In this case, it is clear that law enforcement has been provided with incorrect information.